had seen these dark humps in a movie, rising like talismans from the flatbed of the Amazon rainforest. They seemed an absurd incongruence, almost ominous in their heft. Later, I learned that these rocks are the remains of a former world, a world that existed before trees. But when I first came here, all I knew was that I felt something strange. I wanted to understand that feeling, why people call this place sacred. As if it were self-evident, as if everyone knows what that word means. But I don't.